Hi everyone, welcome to the Diecast Doctor. This week we've got a pretty straightforward patient here. We have a Chrysler 300 by BOS. It's suffering from a couple fractures. The main one is this window frame, this window header, fractured there and there. You can see missing paint. We really shouldn't be too worried about that because if we do it right, the paint was pulled up at the window itself, at the plastic, the clear plastic, so that should get covered up. We have a clean pull away of this exhaust pipe, and this one has a fracture. That shouldn't be too bad to fix. Let's get all gloved up. Start with the easy stuff and fix that rear muffler that's fractured in half. Let that dry while we fix the rest. Now, if you're interested in this car, the Chrysler 300C, I actually have reviewed this model as a red coupe. Just search the channel for Chrysler 300. I think it's the 300C. I've done it a couple years ago. So let's start off nice and easy. For this, I'm just going to use a Gorilla Glue. Do a very light dab. If you're concerned about using too much glue, which is almost everyone seems to do, just get a piece of paper towel or something and just dab off the excess. You'll find that the fracture has a little bit of a pattern, so do a little dry test fit until you get it right, because it'll kind of lock in place when you align it just right. And so that should be good to go for later. Leave that right here. Now the window header is going to be a little more challenging. A lot of people just use this glue all the way around the window header, but you're not going to want to do that, because when you get to the clear portions, you're going to see that white cloudy residue. That's where this comes in. Micro crystal clear. Highly recommend this for any kind of window repair. I did get this on Amazon. I think it's under $10. So you're going to do a mix of glues. I think that'll work best. You'll do the super glue here and here on the frame itself, and you'll do a few little dabs of the white glue that dries clear. Little dabs around the perimeter. So that's what we'll do. We'll worry on the structure first of the super glue, the Gorilla Glue. So let's do that first. Again, let's dab some excess. Okay, this is going to be a little fiddly at first. Because that window's fighting me. Alright, window's off. Now let's take the A-frame off there. We'll glue that as well. This A-pillar, as you call it. So we made this a little bit more complicated, but maybe in the end it'll be a little bit easier. Now the hard part is the little plastic window. Gives me a little bit of structure too. So why don't we see if that helps. We'll take the crystal clear glue, give a couple little dabs. I like using a toothpick. So we'll give a couple dabs along the window. See if we can get that to help us glue the A-pillar. Doesn't take much. I'm trying to get the inside edge a little bit. And I'll put a little bit at the base of the A-pillar, maybe that'll help us stick. Okay. Let's try that now. Now I'm going to have one finger ready to kind of press the window against the A-pillar. There's a little bit of a channel in the A-pillar just for the window to like seat into. And again, there's a slight pattern on the A-pillar that you're going to line up to. Alright, well, now our A-pillar is in place at least. Now the tricky part, we're going to come back, try and glue this all over again. This time I'm going to try again a little bit of the white glue. Because these clear glues aren't really sticky at first. I know that sounds weird, but yeah, not very sticky. Why don't we do a little bit of glue on that edge that's going to meet that corner window. Oop, close. Gotta be careful because the first A-pillar is still wet. I wish I could tell you this wasn't delicate. It wasn't hard to do. I mean, can't call myself the Diecast doctor and just tackle the easy stuff, you know? This is what they pay me for. Except they don't pay me. We almost have it. Get a little toothpick for an adjustment. All right, there's your window frame. Now, little imperfections of smears on that glass, if you can make that out, that's going to dry crystal clear. I mean, that is why this glue is called crystal clear. Now, when I let this dry, I've shown in some other videos, and I'll go over this maybe some other time, but I'm going to do a few little dabs, 360 degrees, when this is really dry and secure, and gently place the window back. I'll do a little bit of this blue painter's tape and let it dry like overnight. But I wanted to show you the technique and the materials I use for a repair like this, so that way you can buy the very same things and do this yourself. But this is a good result. It's a little fiddly, something like this, a fracture in multiple places. Some people would write this patient off as terminal, but this should display pretty well when it's all done. So there you go. That's it for Diecast Doctor this week. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.